Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Selena Zenchak. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. There's a red lamp below that says subscribe. Please click on that. There's a bell next to it. If you click on that bell, you'll get notification each time I upload a new video. And to my old subscriber, if you're returning, welcome. Thanks for coming back. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I prepare my black rice water. Yes, I went on the 14 days black rice water challenge and I got a massive growth from it. That video is up on my channel. I will leave it so you can watch it. So I just want to show you guys how I prepare my black rice water. Before doing that, let me just answer a few questions. Some people ask me if for the 14 days if I spray the black rice water on my hair every day. The answer is yes. Every evening before I take my shower, I will spray the black rice water on my scalp. I will massage it in and then I will leave it until the next day and I will do the same, and I did that for 14 days. Another question I got was that how often should they use it? If you are going on a challenge, a 14 days challenge, then that means you have to use it every day. And another question was asked is that should they wash it out? My answer is no. This is a challenge. You can only wash it out after every 6 days or 5 days. It depends on how much your hair is able to absorb the rice water, and it depends on how long you ferment your rice water. I ferment my rice water for 24 hours. So for that, I can use it up to 6 days, and after that my hair will start smelling. That means it's time for wash day, and I will go and wash it out. And then after I wash it out, I will spray a new one in again, and that's what I've been doing for the 14 days. So within the 14 days, I wash my hair only 2 times. So I got 2 types of rice water. This is one. I made this yesterday. This been fermenting for 24 hours. This is what I use daily. So I'm going to stop the fermentation process by putting this into the fridge. I use this every day. And I got rice water number 2. I use this only on wash day. So this rice water number 2, I also prepared this yesterday. So this is 24 hours. Tomorrow is wash day. So I'm going to leave it again for another 12 hours for it to ferment. So what I would do, rice water number 2, I spray it on my hair 2 times. The first time, I will spray it before I do my shampoo. I will spray it in for like 30 minutes. And then I will leave it on, and then I will go in with my shampoo. After I shampoo my scalp, clean my scalp, I will spray it on my scalp and my hair again for the second time. That one, I will leave it for an hour, and then I will go under my steamer and steam it for like 15 minutes. After, I will just rinse that out, and then I will go in with my deep conditioner. After my deep conditioner, after I rinse my deep conditioner out, then I will go in with rice water number 1. I hope you guys understand this because it's very easy. It's not confusing at all. But if you have any questions more about this, feel free to ask me any question at any time. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and let's just head right over to my lab where I'm going to show you guys how I prepare rice water number 1 and rice water number 2.